Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope everyone is having a beautiful day today. So today we're going to talk about an important information or an important development that has happened in the digital economy. As we know, the world is changing to be a cashless economy, and in Saudi Arabia also it is getting adapted day by day. So this video is particularly for the people who lives in Saudi Arabia, especially for the expatriates who live here. As we know, Saudi is such a beautiful place to live in. We know that. And now, as we said, the mobile company of Saudi Arabia, one of the mobile companies, as we know, Stc, has come up with a wallet pay, and it is called Stc Pay. So it used to have, when it started, it was having the basic things, but now this week they have come up with a new updation where we can, even the people who, the expatriates who live in Saudi Arabia, they can even send money to their home, back to their home, using this Stc Wallet Pay. So once you download this app, once you create an app, and it will give you an automatic bank account, or a bank account will be open either in Riyadh Bank or in ANB. So this is a beautiful thing to happen, as we know, in the new digital week. That's what we have to give you. So let's see how we're gonna do that. Okay, we will take you how to do that now through our video. Hope you will enjoy it. Let's see. Okay, now let's see how Stc Pay can be downloaded. So you can both download it from Apple Store or even from the Android, from the Google Play. The applications are available. Let's look at the App Store now. Now here, let's search for the Stc Pay. Stc Pay. And we got it. So we're gonna get the Stc Pay. Let's download it. Let's install. Okay, so the app is ready to be opened. And we did that. So it says Stc Pay would like to send you notifications. So I just, for the time being, I'm not allowing anything. We'll be doing it. So we'll get started now how to do it. So first of all, you have to enter your phone number. Okay, so we're gonna give the number now and we continue. Then there will be an SMS will be coming to the card. So I just got the SMS and I'm gonna put that one. Okay, that's the code I got. And now you have to give your ID number. That means your national ID or your Iqama, whatever you have got, and your date of birth. So we're gonna select the date of birth from here. We done that. So for more secure transaction, Stc Pay needs your location. Now we're gonna enable the location. So Stc Pay, definitely it needs an access to your location while you're using your app, so definitely we have to allow that. And as you can see, Stc create Stc Pay passcode. So you are going to give an Stc Pay passcode. So I'm giving a random password now. Again, you have to enter the same password. Okay, there we go. So now the contacts. So to perform its main functions or anything, so we need to enable the contacts, or even we can skip it. So we're gonna enable. So Stc Pay would like to access your contacts. Okay. Then if there are any missing information in order to recharge and use your account, you must complete the information form. So let's see the customer information form. That's what we're gonna do now to continue. Okay, so your birth date is already there, the email that is optional, then the financial information. That means your source of income. So whether you're a salaried person, so you have got any ancestral thing, your real estate, or you're an investor, or rental income, or any other thing. So for me, I'll put a salary because I'm a salaried person. So the income range, you can select, you have got from 2000 and above, then you have got all the things. So I'm gonna just put anything randomly. Then you have got your employment status. So you're gonna put, definitely for me, a private sector employee. So I'm gonna put that. Then your employer name, that's very important. All right, so we're gonna submit it again. We did that, and there you go. Your customer information updated, and you got a message already from the Stc Pay in your phone. So I'm gonna put an OK. They have got all the information, so you can do a lot of services through your Stc Pay. When I come back, as you can see, like there is an option like Stc Pay account. Okay, it is 0 riyals, 7 riyals now. So add money. So here again, we have got some missing information. In order to recharge and use your account, you must complete the information form. So customer information form is very important. Again, we did that, okay, and we submitted. Again, customer information updated. When we add money, there is an important information is coming, because it is, except for ATM cash withdrawal, any money transfer, you will be able to perform all kind of financial transactions such as merchant payments, bill payments, and creating shared accounts if you agree to have a limited account. That means, except for an ATM withdrawal, you have got almost all the financial transactions through, you can get it done through STC. So I'm gonna agree that. I agreed. Then it comes here. Okay, so now we're gonna start this beautiful app, how to be used. Let's see, let's start using this. So first of all, we need to add money to the account for sure. As you can see, it's 0 Saudi Riyal there. So you have got many options to add money. So either you can do a normal deposit through ANB or Riyadh Bank. So the bank information, when you click on here, you can see now, as we said earlier, when we do Stc Pay account, right away you will get a bank account created, an IBAN created both in ANB and in Riyadh Bank. You can add money through this. That's one option. Then the second option you have got is Sadad. So the Sadad biller name is 001 STC, and a Sadad number will be there, as you can see. And the third option you have got is either your Visa or your MasterCard, your whatever your card deposit can be that. So for this option, add money using your credit card or debit card. So that's a beautiful option. You can go here and you can add account. I mean, you can register your current ATM card right away. That's one of the options. And I'm sorry, I'm gonna open it again. Okay, so there we go. So you can add and then you can continue here. Right now we are not going to add anything, so I'm going to come back. Then the fourth option you have got is the card top up. So that's another easy way. Create a barcode to top up. Enter your top up amount, scan the barcode and insert your card into POS device to top up. That's easy as well. We can do that. Again, we're not gonna do that now. We're gonna go back. Then after adding the money, you have got many options to pay. Okay, the first option, like show your QR. Like you can send your QR code to somebody, your friends or to anybody, and they can transfer money. That's one. Then send money to contact. So I don't have got any contacts here. So as we previously saw, you can add your contacts as well to here. So I don't have currently anything. Then you have got a local bank transfer. That's another thing. So when you have some money in your Stc Pay, you can just put the amount, you can give them the IBAN number, the beneficiary name. As normal we do a transfer from our bank. It's as easy as that, and you can later on you can save the beneficiary here. Like you can add the name of the beneficiary and then you can save it if you want. So I'm not going to add anything. Then the international remittance, one of the most beautiful and important feature of Stc Pay. So for the people who are living here, I mean the expatriates who are living in Saudi Arabia, I think this is such a wonderful way to transfer money to your loved ones back home. So you can get the price estimator, as you can see, like you can check anywhere, like suppose I'm from India, so I'm gonna put India, and then your delivery option is here, or cash pickup or direct to bank. So I put direct to bank, and its preferred currency is Indian rupee, and the amount calculation, amount to send. So amount to send, we can put here amount to receive. You have got both options. So I'm gonna put like let's say I'm gonna send 2,500 Saudi Riyal, and I'm gonna calculate it. See what a beautiful option you have got today. Right now an exchange rate of 18.133, and the beneficiary will get 45,334 Indian rupees, and the transfer fee is 15 Saudi Riyal. Definitely there will be a VAT of 0.75. The total cost for the center is 2,515.75. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, beautiful options. Again, we're gonna go for the international payment. So as we said, how we can add a beneficiary. Down here you can see add a new beneficiary. So you see, like you can add any of your banks back in India. The beneficiary first name, then you have got the middle name, that's optional, beneficiary last name, the nickname, then the relationship. Then you're gonna continue. When you do that, there are like 2-3 options is available. I mean the delivery and then the optional options also. That's a very easy way to do, because since we don't have to add any bank account right now, we're gonna go back, but you can see that it's a very easy process. Once you add, then you can continue. There are 3 steps, easy steps to complete, and your beneficiary will be added right away. So let's come back again. So we said about now this show QR code option, send money to contact, and local bank transfer, as well as the international remittance. Okay, let's go to other option available in the Stc Pay, that's Stc bills or server recharge. So you can pay any other bill, just add an account number, add the account number, and that's it. Then you can save it, you can pay right away. Then your server recharge, you just put your server phone number, then you click continue, right away you can recharge your server as well. So that's how you can use your Stc Pay. And okay, so now we have seen how beautiful the Stc Pay app is. So do use it. It's a beautiful option for many. I mean, your wallet, you have got an e-wallet, very easily to be used for so many purposes. And so as we have seen, and you have got 2 accounts in 2 beautiful banks like Riyadh Bank, one of the most important and one of the biggest banks in Saudi Arabia, and you have got another one in ANB as well. So please make use of it, and if you like the video, put a like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. We'll see you with another important information later on. Thank you so much. Take care.